because of the tape now to hold the rug in place. It's adhesive for a rug, but it's left a really sticky surface, so I need to take this off. I have tried a couple of times steaming the floors, but it really hasn't helped. So someone told me to use some alcohol hand rub sanitizer, so I'm just gonna leave this on for a bit. If it comes out, that'd be great. Just gonna have to pop some of that on and let it be for a bit and see what happens, guys. Yeah. Do you remember earlier I used a sanitizer for these marks, sticky marks? Guys, I'm just gonna scrub this now with some Barolo and see if it's coming off. Guys, it's coming off with the Barolo pad. Just wet the Barolo pad, is actually coming off, guys. The sticky residue from the rug, you know, the rug tape, just for it not to slip in the hallway or anywhere you put it, guys. And I've got another little area as well. Oh my god, it's amazing, guys. Yeah, it actually comes off, it actually works. And I used the alcohol sanitizer as well, left that on for a couple of hours, and then I used this. And there's another area I'm going to show you now. Okay guys, my ink pen leaked and I tried to clean it but I couldn't, but I think it's going to work with this roller pad. Let's try it. Oh my god, is there anything this doesn't fix? It's actually working. I was really stressed about this. I really was stressed about it, guys. It's actually coming off. That's good. That's good. I'm happy about that. I think it's a permanent ink pen, like a marker, and it kind of leaked. So there you go, guys. Roller pad all the way. This is the second area, guys. So that's the other side of the adhesive tape. See how sticky it is. Welcome to a home vlog, guys. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to another vlog. Hello everybody, how's everybody doing? You probably just seen this morning I've just been doing a few things around the house, so it's going to be a most like home vlog this week. So where is everybody watching from, guys? Please comment. Thank you so much for showing your love on my last vlog. It's all about doing the housework, cooking in this vlog, guys. If you enjoy that kind of content, stay tuned till the end, and please like, subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me, guys. You don't know how much it means to me. It just boosts my confidence and it makes me so happy that all the hard work I'm putting into my videos, it's actually paying off and you guys are watching. Any suggestions, please comment in the comment section below. I'm just going to make some pasta now, guys. You've seen this morning. It's Wednesday, you know, it's my day off, as always. And, you know, in the morning you've seen me do all the housework and doing bits and bobs around the house. So if you like home vlogs, stay tuned, guys. I'm just making some sauce in here. So I've got peppers, tomatoes, onions, and garlic, and some chilies for my pasta. Guys, I'm feeling a bit peckish, so I'm just trying to make some lunch, you know, making pasta. So before I put the pasta in, I'm just going to use some of the chicken tikka just for some lunch. So I can use chicken two ways, guys. I can have it for lunch and I can have pasta for later on if I fancy it. But yeah, just thought I'll show you how I'm doing my lunch.
I said weeks, months it's up. If Chelsea come in for a job, for it, like, yeah, Chelsea come in for it, doesn't matter.
What's this? Candle. Let's smell it. That's orangey, but it is orangey, isn't it? And they got pink ones here as well. Oh, that's so cute. How much is that? £18?
Yeah.
Like thousands of experiences reviewed by real
Ay,
travelers.
banana.
Get your guide.
Book forward to it.
ਇਹ ਪਿਛਾ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਲੱਭਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੋ ਰੰਗ ਲੈ ਆਵੀਂ ਹੋਣੀ
Hello.
ਆ
Mm,
ਸ਼ੱਕ ਕੋ ਰੰਗ ਲੈ ਆਵੀਂ
nice one.
ਸ਼ੱਕ ਸਾਦੇ ਗੋਲੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋ ਜਾ
एक क्या भी बनाए?
ਹਾਂ
Nice.
Cute, Anna.